Currently, the task of clearing trees is no longer suitable and is one of the important tasks that need to be calculated accurately according to the planned projects. However, the indiscriminate cutting of trees is still happening, which is an irresponsible action, causing harm not only to the environment but also to human life and property. To have an in-depth knowledge of tree cutting in a correct and responsible way, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Currently, all countries around the world are very concerned about planting trees and protecting the environment. However, the removal of trees is also an important project that helps us to restore the landscape. These tasks require skilled professionals, knowledge, and safety equipment. Lack of knowledge can cause serious consequences, so it is important to understand the proper way to cut trees. Is the process of cutting down unnecessary trees really dangerous? The decision to remove a tree must be accurately determined and calculated. When a tree is cut down, it can pose many dangers to human and the environment. Firstly, the tree may fall on buildings, houses, or power lines. Additionally, trees can also pose a danger to vehicles on the road, especially in adverse weather conditions such as storms, snowfall, and tornadoes. We can see that the removal of trees that are no longer suitable or are affecting the surrounding landscape is necessary. However, this task requires knowledge and expertise in the field. Determining the direction of the tree's fall is crucial during the removal process. Therefore, to avoid potential dangers in the process of cutting down and removing different types of trees in various environments, we must always make careful calculations to avoid unnecessary risk to people and property. Too dangerous. Tree cutting is an important activity to maintain a green and clean living environment. However, if tree cutting is not done correctly and without proper preparation, it can pose many dangers to houses, vehicles, and people. Cutting trees without specialized equipment such as saws, protective gear, and safety tools can lead to serious injuries. If tree cutting is not planned properly, large branches can fall in the wrong direction, collide with houses or traffic, causing material damage and endangering pedestrians. If these branches fall on people, it can lead to injuries, even death. In addition, unplanned tree cutting can cause damage to the surrounding environment. If trees are cut too close to the ground, it can lead to soil degradation, affecting the sustainability of living environment. Therefore, to avoid accidents and dangers to people and property, tree cutting should be carried out by professionals equipped with full safety equipment and must have specific plans to ensure safety for everyone and the surrounding environment. As you can see, what happens when tree cutting is not calculated. For trees with tall trunks, the safe solution is to work from the top down. This is an action that is not in accordance with the process and without understanding. Yes, a lamppost has been damaged. A man is holding a chainsaw in the middle of his own backyard, cutting down an old tree. He seems to be very careful, but there are no safety equipment to protect himself. While cutting a large branch, the tree suddenly falls and hits him. Fortunately, he wasn't crushed by the tree. In just a split second, he could have been injured at any time, even leading to death. This video shows you the dangers of cutting down trees without proper calculation and knowledge. Obviously, the damage to people and property is immense. Equipping safety equipment is extremely important. To prevent these actions, Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!